Recent torrential rainfall has wreaked havoc on the sole access road to Nyankrom, located in the Shama district of the Western region. Now, this road serves as a crucial link for two major towel and toilet seat manufacturing companies, as well as housing the headquarters of Zoil Ghana Limited and Zeal Environmental Technologies, which play a pivotal role in Ghana's offshore oil and gas sector. Now, the devastation of the Nyankrom road follows a protest by residents and community leaders just a month prior, demanding urgent repairs. Reporting for Citi News, Akwesi Ejeanim states that frustrated residents and commuters are now even threatening to halt upcoming elections unless the road is promptly restored.
On July 5th, 2023, Nyankrom residents passionately rallied for the rehabilitation of their dilapidated 1.7-kilometer road, with the understanding that this road not only serves the community but also supports vital companies such as Marco Polo toilet seat manufacturer, Twifo Keda Ghana Ceramics Annex, Zoil Ghana Limited, and Zeal Environmental Technologies. A significant player in the petroleum industry, residents anticipated swift action. However, a full month after the demonstration, the Nyankrom road has deteriorated further due to the onset of the heavy rains.
This is the current state of the Shama Nyankrom whenever it rains. And the call from the people over here is that they urgently need government support in fixing this very road.
The state of Nyankrom road is very bad, and we need help from the authorities to come to our aid, to come and help us. Because look at the road. It spoils our cars, and it's very bad. So please, authorities, do something for us.
Our road is very bad, and especially when it is raining, we find it difficult to, especially we having a car, we find it difficult to come. And also those who doesn't take car, they find it difficult to even to walk in this place. So our road is very, very, very bad. So we are saying that the government should do something about it. Yeah, if the government can do something about it, we'll be happy.
Nyankrom kwan de nya ya kaka DC ordinary echna sa nsuo to mama abro bi kwa ba hwinsuo msisia madna ko hospital ekwan nyina sei ma taxi ko area adwuma ko sei ye ho ba bia anye anti MPP aban ye se na nado omomoden a no nka se ko last week ba o me aba ha o so ba hwe na ba ye rules nyina ya hwe ni mu a amoma se ne nsuo sa to bi nko anya menem nku na cha hwe ntim nya adwuma kwana sei kura aha wo mu pa de sisi a school foko dom ko school ye duro ntimi fo monko schools bebre wo ho companies bebre ba obia mpese obaboa ama kwan na etimi aye ama sisi a no anopai ba nya samba kura ka bi be sesi ya chana fo ka ba ko be sesi kwan ma ye ntimi nko na etimi aba ama kwan no ehu ye ho kura sisi a na anopai ya tese DC ya befa ha nti yesre DC se omomoden a na omohwe no onye road no kwan anopai ya se obefa ha behwe. In addition
to the hardships faced by motorists on the appalling Nyankrom road, I encountered these students and a teacher who shared their distressing experiences of navigating the muddy paths to school.
So when we get here in the morning, we have to pass through that farm over there, all the way to the pink house over there, so that we can get a clear road to pass.
And why? Why do you have to do that?
Because if we pass here, our uniform, our sandals or shoes will all get muddy. I fell down twice because this road was really slippery and muddy. And my books got muddy too. So I would really like them to fix this road so that we will not face this difficulty again.
Sometimes when I'm on this road, big trucks like tipper trucks and other big cars, they see my dress. They even did my makeup. So I'm urging the government and all NGOs to come and prepare our road for us.
I'm a teacher, I teach around. And then from the junction to this place, we find it difficult moving from the junction to this place.
Sometimes you even have to pass through the bushes. You can't get any place on the road to pass through, so you have to pass through the bushes before you can get to school. So by the time you walk from the junction to the school, it will take you about an hour. Whereas under normal circumstances, it should be like just 10 or 15 minutes. But because the road is bad, it has to take you like an hour. So we are facing a lot of difficulties on this road.
With the Nyankrom road's condition worsening, the leaders behind last July's protests are not only considering another demonstration, but are also threatening to block upcoming elections if the road remains neglected.
I put the demonstration here upon a the corner say Nyankrom Kwandi. Is that the iron I'm work for form this upon ye baby I won't fat. Why you will not have one wire? And the Aquana put a cry if you school for baby one. Yeah, a woman of wafa and some wipe a baby or bottle. And this is your servant. Pardon, young company, the Afridi. Won't you want me that? And I know Wabatron Tam so maybe Biamba. Eh, you pay what you box for Baba because it's a many young who and you go companies like a super 5 no way from her. Now so you can be one cassia and see him where 1 month down may upon my hand.
Nyankrom Koni, Nyankrom Koni, the company Sala Ugu Konidu. You were Desimony, you were Zil, you were Zoya, and you were Macapolo. Companies are at district assembly. When you're home for soon, every month, every year, district assembly. Sikal what you feel, the Nyankrom or Konido. And the message for Tuntanade, tasks what you for. Let us show condition wire. School for Pumpa, and a pastor school for Babasinaco school. We have a baby power and fat. Now I hear me. Some mention the Mutia, mention the Mutia, Lumbuti Mensha, and Chakon will move to me. You told me I asked you what can you do? You're not on there. Ghana Aban. Abo Madinanche, Nansha Nyankrom, or Queen Famayan. And I had Damadia, my obesi, what can you do? My first year, Osa, Nicasana be the can Abba, and we don't know about Bostopina, Yebejay.
The people of Nyankrom says that they have cried enough for this road to be fixed and therefore calling on the president to ensure this very road is quickly fixed. For Citi News, I'm Shama Nyankrom.